Ronin Factory's bullet antenna gives Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra trucks a distinctive 50 caliber look while keeping the profile short and sleek. The updated SmartLock system uses a small included tool to secure the antenna, making it far harder for thieves to walk off with it, while still being simple for the owner to remove. A clever adjustable mounting interface lets you rotate the antenna in fixed steps so the logo can be aligned exactly how you want it on the fender. Installation is straightforward thanks to a single-piece adapter that covers both common thread sizes, so it fits essentially all full-size Silverado and Sierra model years without hunting for extra hardware. The solid aluminum construction with a hard anodized black finish and stainless steel hardware feels robust, shrugs off car washes, and resists corrosion over time. As with any compact antenna, you trade a bit of traditional radio reach for style and durability, but Bluetooth and satellite reception remain unaffected in everyday use.